Jale. This is Jelsie, or you can call us Jale.
Hi guys, to the rooftop. To the top pala yun. So, this is me guys, Jacqueline. Everybody call me pala, Jack or Jack, whatever you call it. Just call my name and using more I'm Merry Christmas because, ay na, sige na, mag-personality na kayo.
So, ay na-hyper. Kahit anong masabi mo, pwede mo na masabi sa akin.
Okay, that's right. Assuming. Uy!
Yes!
Ano?
Yes!
Ayoko na!
Mabilis mo.
So next up, the letter A.
My name is Angelica Fuentes.
Next up, we're gonna choose letter L.
My name is Laika. You can call me Lailay or Cheche. Or social media namin. Start!
Wow! Ikaw sa dito. Okay, sige, ikaw na.
Ako po ay isa po ako sa bata namin. I'm 17 years old.
Okay. And lastly, for the record, this is not shallow, it's letter E. Denise! Denise!
Hello, my name is Yunichi Shano, or I would like to go as just Shano. I don't like people to use my first name because only my family uses it.
So, di mo kami pamilya! Okay, so, that's it!